real quick, because I have to get to bed. Hey boys, how you doing? It's another Walmart box video day. Let's go. Let's go. So real quick, because I gotta work tonight, we just gonna go through what they sent me in my little Walmart box. It's super cute. As always, they would send a little pamphlet. This box retails for $5. I shouldn't say usually, prior to this year, this was like a seasonal box, but I guess this is a monthly box now, and I ain't mad at it. $5, you get like a nice little sample of everything. So in the pamphlet, it describes all the products in the box and the individual prices. So first thing that like you can't ignore as soon as you open the box is these scrunchies. And there's 5 of them in here. So that's pretty dope. Like, this is really good for your hair. It doesn't break your hair like the elastic ones do. And that retails for, I don't see, oh here it is, Wild Rose Scrunchie, $4.97 to $7.97. So the box is worth it just right there. And then this next item we have is a Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Length Retention Biotin Pad. Created for all curl patterns and textures. Strengthening system of fortifying protectants for optimal growth, silicone free. Intense straightening treatment nourishes brittleness, breakage, and split ends. Like, that sound like is up my alley. And this is a real thick packet. Like, this would be enough even for like all the hair that I have. I'm excited about that. And this packet retails for $1.77. This is super cute, but I would never use this, so I'm probably gonna add this to a giveaway. This is a Dashing Diva Ultra Shine Gel Palette. Easy to apply nail strips deliver a strong shiny gel mani that lasts up to 14 days. There's 32 strips in here, and it retails for $6.97. This is super cute. You got the leopard print, and you got a whole bunch of other styles. So I'm gonna add this to a giveaway for somebody. I think someone will enjoy this more than I will, because I'm not gonna use that. Next item in the box is this Avena Collagen Regeneration Lotion. Extragen, what the fuck? Excellent for all skin types. This fast absorbing formula contains snail mucin to help repair, brighten, and soften skin. And this retails for $5. I guess this is Avena, like, but the Spanish, like their Spanish brand. It's a pretty decent size. Like, this is pretty good. I'll probably like just throw that in the car or my purse, because I'm constantly washing my hands at work and my hands get dry to fucking hell and back. Even though my building is currently COVID free, I'm still a psycho when it comes to cleaning. Okay, and then we also have this Hello Activated Charcoal Toothbrush that retails for $3.99. These are really nice, actually. I've bought a couple of these before at Marshall's. If I could get this out. It's a nice value. These are a lot nicer than those dollar store. Bitch, you could tell I'm tired. I don't even know what the fuck I'm saying anymore. Dollar store toothbrushes. This is the Hello Toothpaste. This retails for $3.99. Bring out your brightest smile with naturally derived ingredients that are safe and effective at reducing plaque and keeping breath fresh. Flavors vary. This is in farm grown mint. I think I said this retails for $3.99 already. I feel like I'm stuck in a loop. Like, these are really good. These are like fluoride free toothpaste. I usually save these for travel because they're like a nice little travel size. So in conclusion, like that's a decent little box, you know what I'm saying? Like I think I'm probably gonna use like 3 out of 5 products in here, so that's a hit for me. I don't really shop at Walmart, but I do order online. For any of you guys on a budget but you do want like a cute little subscription box delivered to your house, I would recommend this one. This is one of the cheapest subscription boxes, and it's a nice little variety. Like it's not just makeup, it's not just skincare. Like sometimes you get vitamins in here, you get hair stuff. Like it's a nice little balance. And I've gotten some bomb ass press-on nails in these boxes before. So I don't know if you guys end up subscribing to this. Let me know. If you're not interested in these videos no more, let me know. Sound off in the comments down there, because I ain't gonna know unless you say something. I can't read minds, unfortunately, but honestly I don't think I'd even want that superpower, because I used to think it was a dope superpower until like we got social media and I see this things some people post. Like please do not post every little thought that comes across your mind. Like I don't want to know everything. I don't want to know everything, okay? Anyway, like I usually say, you know how I end things. Wash your hands, wash your booty, wear your deodorant, be a decent human being, okay? And just don't be out here acting crazy. Take care of yourself, okay? I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Bitch. Oh God, I did it again. I'm sitting on my pant leg.